The
Oh
formal
wow, this
dining
house
room.
is actually big.
Our dining room now
from the
has
outside,
seating.
Yeah, it looks like
Yes.
really small from the
Outside.
outside.
Bits and pieces. Suites
It's
for
actually
luring children in.
beautiful.
I have a picture of my.
love
If you
the
remember when I
decorations
first
and
did a tour of my
everything.
house,
Very
this room
fine.
here with the front
It's
room, it was a real
giving
surprise how much.
Yes, exactly.
It's
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
It's your favorite girl.
Yeah, and we are back again with another video. So guys, today we have a couple of videos we'll be checking out. First one on our list here is titled American House Tour. Tours of American House. We are so curious. We want to see what the house is over there looks like, right? So we cannot wait to get into it, and we don't want to waste much of your time. So let's get right into the video.
So a lot of people have been asking me to do an update video on my house. My house is much the same, but I've been living here for about 9 months now. I've been working a bit on the garden.
Oh, this is another.
Working on the lawn. One of my neighbours, when I first moved in here, commented on how bad my lawn was before I'd even got to know him. So I was, all right, buddy, I'm going to take you on with the lawn. Hey, Tui, come on, we're going to do a tour. Let's go.
Okay.
In the house. So in through the front door.
Wow.
I have a bowl of sweets
It's
for luring
actually
children in.
beautiful.
I have a picture of my mum. Hey, mum.
Oh,
If you remember when I first did a tour of my house,
very
this
fine.
room here, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with. And subsequently, you may have seen my video on my stereo equipment, but this room has turned into my favorite room in the house. This little tiny front room gets a lot of sun, and so I sort of did a lot of colors in here. And I put a sofa in here, and I put my record player, and I moved my speakers to the front like people on the internet had suggested that I do. And I like to sit on this sofa here and listen to my records. I just love this room. I put lots of little plants in here and lots of little toys. I've got this neat
yes, it just makes
clock
it
So beautiful.
from Russia that I love. And photos of my family all up here. My record player, more photos of my family. A Tui, and of course my classic rock records that I love. Books and stuff, so forth. And of course my rather phallic collection of cactus succulent plants. So yeah, the front room, I just love what's happened with the front room. It was a real surprise how much it's changed and how much I love it. Moving down the hallway here, another room that was blank when I toured last time was the formal dining
this house is actually big.
Our dining room now has seating.
Yeah, it looks like really small from the outside.
Bits and pieces, photos and pictures and so forth.
Wow.
I just got to find another 7 friends and we're all set for having a dinner party. And some new lighting as well. Further down the hall, the downstairs bathroom has remained unchanged.
It's really beautiful.
Kitchen is pretty much unchanged. My sister Becky and I are going to repaint these chairs
wow.
soon.
How
so they match
spacious the kitchen is.
I love how white.
Blue of the
The whole
colours in this
cabinet,
kitchen.
everything.
But yeah, the kitchen is really one of the best features in this house. It's such a big, lovely kitchen to work in. I just love it.
So beautiful.
Well lit, and it's just easy to use. Great appliances. Over here is yet another Tui. It's a bit of a Tui theme in this house. And my goldfish and other bits and pieces. Onto the living room. Not much has changed in the living room. A few other pictures and so forth have gone up. I've changed the carpets in here. I put a beanbag in here, which I thought was going to be for me, but it turns out it's a Tui. There's my gorillas. There's Albert, and there's William.
What's this?
And my office.
Yeah, like
office,
2 different ones.
I've changed the desk in the office, so I much prefer this desk.
Oh, this is
really works well in
workspace.
here.
Oh my
and,
God,
I love using this office.
So beautiful. Into tech.
Yeah, you've been motivated to work, obviously.
That's where I do all my YouTube videos.
You know, I literally thought those were
Of course, there's my picture of my old 911.
And
I wanted to show you a couple of rooms that I didn't show you last time, but before we got into that, we'll go out to the backyard here.
Oh my God.
Once again, the backyard is a bit of a work in progress.
The house is actually like really
it was just a big
spacious.
mud patch when I moved in, so really I've been
Look at the
focused on getting the
space
lawn right.
behind.
I love the green.
So I'm going to plant more trees as I go.
Everything,
But
plants
to that
and
corner there, I
everything.
put some agrivires
Just relax
to hide
here.
that ugly chain link fence of my neighbours, so they'll grow out. And up the back I put hydrangeas, so they'll get bigger and bushier and they'll sort of hide that back end a bit better. But yeah, it's a really lovely big backyard now, and Tui spends a lot of time out here chasing her ball, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So, oh, there's my neighbour's dog. So I put some rhododendrons here. They'll grow up. And
Yes,
get nice and
they have
flowery.
enough
Yeah.
But yeah,
space.
it's oh, my dad bought me this barbecue when I moved in. That's cool. So yeah, a lovely backyard. I
Wow.
might extend this deck a little bit out this way. Get some deck furniture. So that's my backyard. Into the garage. It was a bit of a mess
Oh,
last time I showed you,
wow.
if I remember. I've tidied it up a bit. I put some speed rail to put my tools along the wall there. Here's my Golf. Hey, Golf. And I put some of my tyres up on the wall. Those are the tyres for the Porsche, actually. These are the tyres down here for the BMW. They'll be sold when I sell the BMW. Say hi to the BMW. Hey, M4. What's going on, brother? But otherwise, yeah, no, I'm not crazy tidy garage guy. I'm not going to put a false floor or any of those crazy things that people do. It just has to be functional. So
Okay.
yeah, my garage is functional. Oh look, fireworks. You know what they're going to be strapped to. Hey, Chewy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, doggy. Okay, so onto a room that I didn't show you last time, which is the basement. There's nothing been done in the basement, but I wanted to show it to you this time. Because it's one of the rooms that I want to work on.
It's
House
how-
is really
So down here,
Yes, and it's how there are no
very
doors, like
standard
from
basement here in the
anywhere.
US.
You can just get into anywhere.
And what people in the US tend to do with their
Oh, is
basements
this part of the
fill them
house?
with
This is
shit.
the garage.
And that's what I've done
Oh.
as well. But my basement is huge,
Oh, sorry. the
and
basement.
it's very
Like,
very even
looking at this
climb.
house from
It's always
outside, it was like
same
really
temperature.
small.
Summer and
Exactly,
winter,
and it
so I
looks
think it's
so
going to be a
huge
great
inside.
Are you serious? Like, this
room
is
to
part of
finish
the
at
house?
some stage. It's just enormous. So,
Oh my God.
it's got the plumbing for another bathroom down here. So I think I'll build another bathroom and just finish off the walls and so forth. There's companies that especially do up basements here in Connecticut, so that's what I do. And of course, this is where I just store a load of my crap that I am slowly putting on Craigslist and getting rid of. So yeah, the basement's
Wow.
interesting in that it's just so huge and so quiet and so kind of
It's
warm,
really huge.
sort of
It
even
is.
temperature year
Like, somebody
round.
can literally
So
view
it's
the
going to be a
house
great room
inside
to do
here.
up at some point.
Exactly.
So back upstairs. Upstairs, of course, are where the
think it's a
bedrooms and the other two
duplex.
bathrooms are.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow.
Not much has changed in my bedroom.
Wow.
I put up
This
some
is
extra
really spacious.
pictures.
This is so
Picture of
big.
New Zealand I put up. I
Oh,
took
look at
myself.
the view.
Yeah, so just a few more photographs and pictures in here. Doing it big. My bathroom hasn't changed.
Yeah. This one is big.
It's all good.
So colorful.
Wow.
I've started
I
decorating
love
this
the
yellow room.
light blue.
Yes.
Put some pictures up.
Oh, the color,
Carpet
like
in, that type of
everywhere.
thing.
They just
I'm
have
actually
like
going
the
to change
perfect
the paint
blend of
colour in this
colors.
bathroom. At the moment it's an apricot. I'm going to change it to a slate to make
one
it
is more like
match the
yellow.
floor. I think that'll look better. But I'm pretty pleased with how this room's turned out. This is the blue room. I found some
Oh, wow.
some blue pictures, some
room.
blue chairs, blue carpets, blue everything.
Wow.
A little bit of IKEA furniture as well. But yeah, I love this little blue room. And over in here is Becky's room. Not much has changed in here. Just a few extra pictures and some extra furniture. Yeah, it's a nice quiet room, this one. And I have my my laundry in here. So this is the other room I wanted to show you guys, is up here is my attic. And it's another room that's unfinished. And it's another huge area that
Oh my
is
god.
This is really big.
available to be finished in this house. And I think I might do this before the basement. It's just an enormous space and it's pre-piped for
Like, I really
air
do not
conditioning and so
understand this
forth.
house. How is it so big?
It just
like,
needs to be finished
Yeah,
off
it
the walls
looks
and
so
edges and so
small.
forth.
From outside.
like,
So yeah, I'd be excited to get this room done. I think this will add a lot of value to the house. So there you have it. Quick update to my house, how things are coming along. I'll probably do another one in a year or so once my garden's a
Wow.
little bit more established.
Wow,
is this what the typical American house looks like?
Yes. It's so beautiful.
Wow,
It's so
wow,
beautiful.
wow.
Which part exactly was like your favorite part in the house?
In the house?
Yes.
To be honest, is this bedroom. It's so beautiful and
It
big.
is. It's like really, really beautiful. But for me,
Yeah.
I think I love the kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen was
The kitchen,
beautiful
yes, the
too.
kitchen is so amazing. And then the outdoor environment, the outside.
Yes, like the outside, the back, how greenish.
Imagine
everything
just
was.
waking up early in the morning and then you're seeing like nature itself. It's like
Exactly.
beautiful. And it just has a way of just sorting your soul.
Honestly, like the view.
Yes.
It just gives you this fresh. I don't even know
No,
how.
the environment is really beautiful.
Yeah, and
No
to
noise.
think the house actually looks like a condo from
Yes,
outside, like
from
just
out exactly.
very small. And then like that is it garage or basement or what did you call it? Like
it looks so big.
it's so unbelievable that kind of space is actually in that house, that building that I saw from outside. I was like, okay. But when he got inside and started showing us, now this is beautiful. So me, I would really like to know, is this how the average American person's house is?
Yeah.
Is that like people typically have enough space, like you build your house? I think it is, because from what I've seen, they mostly have space.
Yeah.
You don't have like neighbors next to you. Like, I don't know, maybe in big cities, I don't know where this person is vlogging from, but like from what I've seen, most of the videos is like there's a house here and then there's a lot of space
before you see the next one.
Yes.
I think unless you go to the cities, probably the cities are like more packed up with like
with
a lot of
people,
houses.
industries, and all of that.
But I think it's because it's in a very
probably remote
secluded,
place.
secluded environment. And also
I absolutely enjoyed this one. It looks beautiful. The house looks dreamy, honestly, peaceful.
The perfect house for a couple, for anyone.
Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this one with us. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did filming it.
I enjoyed it.
And also, if you would like to see what our own houses looks like, I have that. I have a vlog channel. It's linked to this one. I will link the video in the description below. You can go and see our house tour, my house tour, to see what my kitchen looks like compared to this.
In Nigeria.
It's actually so tiny. So yeah, and we enjoyed this one. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do want to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed our reaction. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, so you can support the channel.
Please consider subscribing. It will go a really long way.
Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you all on our next video. Bye.